Imagine standing at the edge of a massive 100-foot triple, your heart hammering against your chest protector, and the roar of 30 other engines vibrating through your boots. In that split second before the gate drops, you need a machine that is both a monster and a surgeon. For years, the Yamaha YZ450F has been the undisputed heavyweight champion of raw, unadulterated power. It was the bike that could pull a hole shot on a vertical cliffside, but it often came with a reputation for being a handful, a bike that required the strength of a titan to manhandle through the ruts. That narrative ends today for 2026. Yamaha hasn't just given this bike a facelift, they have fundamentally re-engineered the DNA of what a big bore motocross bike should be. They've managed the impossible, creating a 450cc powerhouse that feels as light and flickable as a 250cc. Light heavyweight. If you think you know the YZ450F, prepare to have your expectations shattered. This year the Blue Beast hasn't just learned some manners, it's become the most sophisticated weapon on the track. We are diving deep into the 2026 YZ450F, and by the end of this review you'll understand why. The competition is currently back at the drawing board. The engine brutal power with a digital brain. The heart of the 2026 YZ450F remains the legendary reversed cylinder, rearward slanted engine, a design Yamaha pioneered to centralize mass and optimize intake efficiency. However, for 2026, the engineers went back to the combustion chamber. The goal wasn't more peak horsepower because, let's be honest, who actually needs more than 55 horsepower on a dirt track? The goal was linear connectivity. This year, Yamaha introduced a redesigned intake port and updated a Q mapping that bridges the gap between your right wrist and the rear tire. In previous years, the YZ could be herky-jerky at low RPMs, making tight corners a bit of a gamble. The 2026 model smooths the transition out entirely. The power builds with a surgical, predictable climb that allows you to find traction where there shouldn't be any. But the real headline for the motor is the long-awaited standard-issue factory hydraulic clutch. For years, Yamaha purists defended the cable clutch for its feel, but the world has moved on and Yamaha has finally answered the call. This new system, developed directly from their MXGP factory efforts, offers a consistent, buttery smooth pull that doesn't fade, even when you're slipping the clutch through deep, heavy sand for a 30-minute moto. It's a game-changer for arm pump and rider fatigue. Chassis engineering, the art of controlled flex. While the engine gets the glory on the spec sheet, the frame is where the 2026 YZ450F wins the race. Yamaha's aluminum bilateral beam frame has undergone its most significant structural revision in 5 years. The engineers realized that a frame can actually be too stiff, leading to a harsh ride and a nervous front end that likes to hunt and peck. In high-speed chop for 2026, the wall thickness of the front down tube and the swing arm pivot area has been strategically thinned. This allows for what engineers call tuned flex. When you're leaned over in a rough, square-edged corner, the frame now absorbs a percentage of that impact before it ever reaches your hands. The result, a bike that stays planted. The 2026 YZ450F no longer wants to stand up in ruts. It wants to dive into them and stay there. This increased stability at high speeds means you can hold the throttle open just a fraction longer than the guy next to you. And in motocross, those fractions are the difference between a podium and a mid-pack finish suspension. The gold standard gets a twist. It is a well-known fact in the industry. Yamaha's Kibi speed-sensitive system, SESIS, is the best production suspension on the planet. While other manufacturers chased the air fork fed and eventually retreated, Yamaha stayed the course with coil spring, and it paid off. For 2026. They haven't reinvented the wheel, but they've added the Swiss Army knife of adjustability. The 2026 forks now feature tool-less compression adjusters on the top of the caps. No more fumbling in your gear bag for a flathead screwdriver. While the 30-second board is up, you can click your settings in with your gloved fingers. Furthermore, the rear shock has been updated with a new high-flow piston in a redesigned linkage that keeps the rear of the bike higher in its stroke. This prevents the wallowing sensation some riders felt on the 2024 and 2025 models during heavy acceleration. Whether you're a 150-pound speedster or a 210-pound vet rider, the sheer range of the 2026 Kybe components is wider than ever, making it the most plug-and-play bike in the class. The surprise, your bike is now unstealable now for the wait what moment of the 2026 release. A feature no one saw coming. Yamaha has integrated an industry-first anti-theft IQ lock. We've all heard the horror stories of bikes being lifted from the back of a truck at a hotel or swiped from a garage overnight. Through the updated Yamaha Power Tuner app, You can now set a digital deadbolt when activated. The AQ requires a unique PIN or a Bluetooth handshake from your specific smartphone to allow the ignition to spark. Without it, the bike is a very expensive paperweight. Even if a thief tries to bump start it down a hill, the fuel injection system remains dormant. It's a revolutionary move that acknowledges the reality of bike ownership today. Yamaha isn't just looking out for your lap times, they're looking out for your investment. Ergonomics in the 70th anniversary masterpiece. Ergonomically, the 2026 YZ450F feels remarkably slim. The radiator shrouds have been tucked in by another 5 millimeters, and the junction between the seat and the fuel tank is almost perfectly flat. This allows you to move from a seated to a standing position. With zero interference, the foot pegs have also been lowered by 5 millimeters, which opens up the rider triangle, making the bike feel less cramped for taller riders, without sacrificing ground clearance in the corners. And we have to talk about the aesthetics. To celebrate 7 decades of Yamaha excellence, the 2026 70th Anniversary Edition is a visual knockout. It ditches the modern blue for a nostalgic white, red and purple livery inspired by the 1990s YZ450s. With a purple seat and blacked-out rims, it is a masterclass in retro-modern design. It's the kind of bike that looks fast just sitting on the stand, and it's likely to be a collector's item the moment it leaves the showroom floor. The Power Tuner app version 4.0. Yamaha's Power Tuner app was already the industry leader, but the 2026 version 4.0 takes it to a professional level for the first time. The app includes auto-track mapping using the G-piece on your phone. The app can suggest mapping changes based on the elevation and weather conditions of your specific location. If you're riding at a high-altitude track in the morning and a sea-level track in the afternoon, the app will prompt you to optimize the fuel-to-air ratio. With a single tap, it also features a more intuitive simple mode. If you don't want to mess with ignition timing grids, you can simply move a slider between smooth and aggressive. It's like having a factory mechanic in your pocket, ensuring your 450 is always running at its peak potential regardless of where you're riding. Final verdict, the new benchmark, the 2026 Yamaha YZ450F is a rare machine. It's a bike that manages to be more powerful yet easier to ride, more technologically advanced, yet simpler to maintain by focusing on linear connectivity, tuned flex and rider security. Yamaha has addressed the real-world needs of motocross racers. It doesn't matter if you're trying to qualify for Loretta Lynn's or just trying to beat your buddies at the local sand track. This bike gives you the confidence to push harder than you ever thought possible. The competition is stiff, with the Europeans and the other Japanese manufacturers pushing hard. But with the 2026 updates, Yamaha hasn't just stayed in the conversation. They've taken the microphone. It is slimmer, smarter, and faster than anything that has come before it. The king isn't just back, the king is better than ever. Bike future.